Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add handwritten signature in Word document. Okay, so if you want to add the handwritten signature, what you have to do, first of all you have to go to you open your Google Chrome browser and remove the background of the your signature. Okay, select the signature, open. Now background of the image will be removed here. Okay, now you have to just download this, and now I want to insert the signature here. You have to click here, click on insert picture from file, select the image which you have downloaded from the Chrome. Okay, now wrap text in front of the text. Okay, now you have to move your signature away. Now place the signature, resize the signature. Okay, like this. So like this you can add your handwritten signature in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.